Hey out there, Super Chips fans. The Super Chips engineering team came up with some amazing new features for the Flashcal and Flashpaq products for 1998 to 2020 Jeeps and 2005 to 2020 Ram trucks. This feature that we added allows you to save all of the modifications that you've done with your Flashpaq or Flashcal product to your Jeep or truck, such as tire size, gear ratio, or speed limiters. And it allows you to restore those back to stock and do service work or other work on your vehicle. And then at any time that you want to restore those features that you changed, you can use the device and restore those feature changes from its memory back to your truck without having to remember what all your changes were. Let's show you how it works. All right, so we're in our 2020 Jeep 2-liter turbo, and we've changed our tire size to 35s, and we've changed our gear ratio to 410s. And what we'd like to do is we'd like to save these features for later. We're going to bring the Jeep in for service work, and what happens typically is the ECU or similar will be reflashed and we'll lose all of our changes. So to fight that, what we've done is we've added this save function in here that allows you to save those options into the device. So we just changed our tire size. We're going to go in now, we're going to go back to this menu to where it says Save Modifications. When we hit that, it takes all those settings that we've adjusted and puts it on the device's memory for later. Now we're going to go in and we're going to restore back to stock, and so all those options in the vehicle will be set back to stock, but the memory of what they were will remain on the device. And keep in mind, sometimes these options will take a little bit of time as we go through the menus. You'll see that there will be a little bit of a delay. We have to turn the keys on and off and so forth. Turn the key back on. Okay, so our options have been restored. Now we're gonna pretend as if we just came back from service, and we'd like to take those options and actually apply them all in one shot back into the Jeep. And so to do that, we're gonna go to this return modifications item here, and we're gonna go ahead and install that, and it's gonna do all of those options all at once for a nice and easy restore back to where you were before you went in for service work. Turn the ignition off again, hit OK. Turn the ignition on again, hit OK. And just like that, all of those options are back in the vehicle. It's an easy, simple process, and we hope you enjoyed out there, Super Chips fans. Thanks for watching.